Good morning, students. So last class we were completed the fundamentals, basic fundamentals in the chemistry. Today I will start the atomic structure. Then what is the introduction of this atomic structure? Let's see the concept. Here in 400 years before Christ, the Indian and Greek philosophers described the atom is the building back of the matter. 400 years before Christ, Indian and Greek philosophers was described the atom is the building back of matter. What they describe? Atom is building back of matter. In what way they said atom is a building back of matter? Why means, for example, matter is nothing but anything which has mass and occupy this space is nothing but matter. So this is a matter. Means this thing has some mass and occupy this space. That's why it is called matter. For example, it is a brick. It is a brick. Then cut this brick in a different ways. We cut the brick in different ways. So finally we get the smallest particle. So this type of the smallest particle is obtained. Further, this type of smallest particle is cannot be divided into many more particles. The type of undivisible particle is nothing but undivisible particle. Is nothing but atom. That means this matter is made up of combination of number of atoms to form the matter. That's why what they said, atom is the building back of matter. Okay. So in 400 years before this, Indian and Greek philosophers was described the atom is building back of matter. Why means the matter is made up of large number of the atoms. Okay. Here atom is the undivisible particles. So that is about the point in 400 years before this. Then next one is the matter is made up of extremely small particles. The type of the extremely small particle is nothing but atom. Next one is matter is made up of extremely small particles. This type of the small particles is nothing but atom. Here, this is the matter. If we cut the matter in different ways, finally we get the very micro size particles is obtained. The type of micro size particle is further cannot be divided into many more particles. So the type of undivisible particle or non-divisible particle nothing but atom. That's why what they said, the matter is made up of extremely small particles. So the matter is made up of extremely small particles. This type of smallest particle is nothing but atom. Next one is the word atom is obtained from the Greek word atomio. The word atom is obtained from the Greek word atomio. What is the meaning of atomio? In Greek language, atomio means undivisible. Here, or non-divisible. Undivisible or non-divisible. The type of undivisible or non-divisible particle is nothing but atomio in Greek language. From this word, the atom word is derived. That's why the atom word is obtained from the Greek word atomio. Okay. But this is about the information of the atom in the 400 years before this. Why means at this time there was no way to test the atoms experimentally. Why means so in this period our scientific technology is very poor. So there was no way to test the atoms experimentally. So this is information of the atom in 400 years before this. But later the earlier scientists or the earlier experiments was give the extra information about the atom. But in 400 years before this, so the information about the atom is only this one. After this one, in 1808 year. After this one, then next one is 1808. In 1808, the British school teacher John Dalton John Dalton. He was described the first atomic theory of matter. First atomic theory of matter. Then what he was described the first atomic theory of matter? The type of first atomic theory of matter is nothing but Dalton's atomic theory. Dalton's atomic theory. Okay. So here in 1808 year, John Dalton was described the first atomic theory of matter from his experimental evidence. So the type of first atomic theory of matter is Dalton's atomic theory. Okay. Then what are the points explained by the Dalton in this atomic theory? You can see the point number 1. Atom is a extremely smallest particle of the matter. Atom is extremely smallest particle of matter. Smallest particle of matter. That is the first one point. So this type of smallest particle is the undivisible particle. Okay. Then next one is atoms of same elements have the identical properties. Means atoms of same element have the same mass and the same size. That is the second point. The next one is atoms of different elements have the different size and a different mass. Means atoms of different elements have the different properties. The next fourth one is atoms of different elements are combined in fixed proportion to form the compound. Atoms of different elements are combined in fixed proportion to form the compound. That is fourth one point. Then last fifth one point, atom is a smallest particle of the matter which take part in the chemical reaction. Atom is a smallest particle of matter which take part in the chemical reaction. That is about the 5 important postulates of Dalton atomic theory. So that is the information of the Dalton atomic theory. After that, at the end of 19th century and beginning of 20th century, so in this period our scientific technology is developed. By using that scientific technology, the number of the scientists who have done the experiment on the atom. From that experimental result, the scientists were explained the atom is not a indivisible particle. Atom can be divided into many more particles. So at the end of 19th century and beginning of 20th century, the number of the scientists who have done the experiment on the atom. From that experimental result, what they said, atom is divisible. When they said the atom is divisible, so at that time Dalton atomic theory is failed. Why? According to the Dalton atomic theory, atom is the smallest particle of the matter. It is a undivisible particle. Undivisible particle. That point given by the Dalton. But here what they said, at the end of the 19th century, beginning of 20th century, from this experimental result, the number of the scientists, what they said, atom can be divided into many more subatomic particles. So when they said the atom can be divisible particle, at that time the Dalton atomic theory is failed. Then next one is the atom can be divided into many more subatomic particles. No? Then among these most important subatomic particles are 3: electron, proton, neutron. So atom can be divisible. It can be divided into many more subatomic particles. Subatomic particles. So among these most important subatomic particles are 3. That is electrons, protons and neutrons. Electron negative charge, proton positive charge, and neutron zero charge. So this is about the information of the atom. So once again just recall these points here. In 400 years before Christ, Indian and Greek philosophers was described the atom is the building block of matter. Why they said this one point means the matter is divided into many more particles. So finally we obtained the extremely smallest particle, that is called atom. So the type of the undivisible particles, that means it cannot be divided into many more particles. This type of number of undivisible particles are combined together to form matter. That's why what they said, Atom is the building block of matter. Next one is the matter is made up of extremely smallest particle. The type of the smallest particle is called atom. So this matter is made up of very large number of the smallest particle. The smallest particle is called atom. Next, the word atom is obtained from the Greek word atomio. Atomio means indivisible particle or non-divisible particle. This is information of the atom in 400 years before Christ period. Why means at this time there was no way to test the atom experimentally. Scientific technology is very poor. But later, earlier ideas or earlier experiment was give more information about the atom. After this one period, next 1808, British school teacher John Dalton was explained the first atomic theory of matter, that is Dalton atomic theory, from his experimental evidence. So, what is the John Dalton theory? Point number 1, atom is a smallest particle of the matter. It is a indivisible particle. It cannot be divided into many more particles. That is the first one point. Second one point, atoms of same elements of the same type of properties. Means same shape, same mass. Atoms of different elements have the different type of properties. Means different shape and different mass. Fourth one point, atoms of different elements are combined together in fixed proportion by weight to form the compound. Fifth one point, atom is the smallest particle of the matter which take part in the chemical reaction. Atom take part in the chemical reaction. That is about the postulates of Dalton atomic theory. After the Dalton, again at the end of 19th century and the beginning of 20th century, our scientific development is more. By that scientific technology, the number of the scientists were done the experiments on the atom. From that experiment to that, what they said atom is divisible. When they said atom is divisible, then Dalton atomic theory failed. So what they said, atom can be divided into many more particles. So these many more particles are nothing but subatomic particles. Among these subatomic particles, most important particles are 3: electrons, protons, neutrons. These are most important subatomic particles. Then next one is discovery of electron, discovery of proton, discovery of neutron. That is next one concept.